Hello my dear students of class 2, welcome again at your channel. It is E Square official YouTube channel and this is your science class lecture number 5. As you know, in previous 4 lectures we were done unit 1 animals and also done their exercises A, B and exercise C. In today's class we are doing exercise D on page number 7. Look and read this activity. Match the animals with their body coverings. Also name the coverings. जानवरों को उनके बाहरी ढांचे के साथ मैच करना है और उनके नाम भी लिखने हैं. Look at the picture number 1. Which animal is this? बच्चों, क्या आप जानते हैं कि ये कौन सा जानवर है? Look at the picture number 1. Which animal is this? बच्चों, क्या आप जानते हैं कि ये कौन सा जानवर है? As you know, we learn and read about this animal at the lesson. Yes, this is tortoise. This is tortoise. कछुआ. कौन सा जानवर है? कछुआ. और प्यारे बच्चों, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि कछुए के जिस्म पर सख्त गोले यानी कि हार्ड शेल्स पाए जाते हैं. In this activity, first one is done for you. Now name this covering. Write down the spelling. H A R D S H E L L S. Hard shells. Now look at the number 2. Which animal is this? Students, did you ever see this animal at your home or any other place? Yes, this is chick. This is chick. Chick means चूज़ा. आप जानते हैं कि चूज़े की जिल्द पर कौन सी बैरूनी ढांप पाई जाती है? जी हाँ, जैसे कि चिक की जिल्द बहुत नरम और मुलायम होती है, यानी कि उसकी जिल्द पर पंख पाए जाते हैं. Yes, its feathers. Its feathers. First of all, match this animal with their outer covering and then write down spelling of feathers. F E A T H E R S. Feathers. Look at animal number 3. Which animal is this? As we also learn and read about this animal at the lesson, what is the name of this animal? This is porcupine. This is porcupine. Means साही, कांटेदार सेहा. जैसे कि बच्चों, साही को कांटेदार सेहा भी कहा जाता है क्योंकि इसकी जिल्द पर तेज सुइयां नुमा कांटे पाए जाते हैं. अब हम इसको मैच करेंगे इसके बाहरी ढांचे से. उसके बाद हम इसके आउटर कवरिंग का भी नाम लिखेंगे. स्पाइन्स मीन्स रीढ़ की हड्डी. नाउ राइट डाउन द स्पेलिंग्स ऑफ स्पाइन्स. S P I N E S. Spines. Now look at this picture. Which animal is this? Students, you know this is fish. This is fish. Do you know which kind of outer covering fish have? बच्चों, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि फ़िश की जिल्द खुरदरी और छिलके नुमा होती है, इसीलिए फिश हैव स्केल्स ऑन देयर बॉडी. फ़िश की जिल्द पर स्केल्स पाए जाते हैं. Match the fish with their outer covering and also write down the name of its. Write down the spelling of scale. S C A L E. Scale. Now students, look at this last picture of animal. Which animal is this? This is lamb. This is lamb means भेड़. भेड़ बकरी की ही एक किस्म होती है और आप जानते हैं कि बकरी के जिल्द पर बड़े बाल पाए जाते हैं. It means lamb is a hairy animal. Match this animal again with its outer covering and also write down the name of its covering. Write down the spelling of hairs. H-A-I-R-S. Hairs. My dear students, at the end of our today's session, I am going to tell you that this is the last activity of this Unit 1 Animals. Hope you are enjoying today to doing this activity at home with your teacher. Inshallah, we will meet soon with our next unit. Till then, take care. Goodbye.